Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be continuing from the Hyundia i30. Today I'll be moving a low pressure pump because it isn't working. So first of all, you just have to lose 4 screw out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when that is off, basically you just have to move this pipe. This is the outgoing pipe and this is the return pipe. You get outgoing pipe, this one outgoing, this is return pipe. Then you move the plug and I'll show you. After you remove that, the pipes out, go to the high pressure pump, this one, and this one is the return pipe. Move the plug, then you have to move this bolt, and there are 8 of them. I need 8 sockets for this. So the pan is out, so next you just have to move it, bring it out slowly like this. So you can see it's out. So next thing, you just have to put the new one in, so it goes in. The new one is basically in, so all I need is just to cover it up, then start it up. Yeah, from there outside goes. Yeah. So basically the car starts, so everything is working fine. You can see the RPM above, close to 1000 RPM. Car starts, rev. It goes higher. Yeah, this is how you change your. Everything is okay, no leakage, everything fine. This is how you change your low pressure pump for Hyundai i30. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more, and follow more of my videos in the description below above. Yeah, cheers. Bye.